Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Microsoft OneDrive on your phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our Microsoft OneDrive application on our phone. But if you haven't installed this application on your phone, you can download it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Then after you have this application installed on your phone, you can just open it. Okay, and Microsoft OneDrive is an application we can use to back up our data. It's similar with Google Drive, but this application specifically for backing up Microsoft documents such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint or PDF. And alright guys, I'm going to show you how we can use this application. To use this application, first of all, you can tap on this plus button to create new folder, or you can also upload a file from your device. And for example, I'm going to create a folder. And I'm going to name the folder backup document. Okay, and after the folder has been created, we can upload some files to this folder. You can tap on this plus button again to upload your file. Click on the upload option, and then select document from your device that you would like to back up to your Microsoft OneDrive. And for example, I'm going to select from the document folder and select this file. I'm going to upload my PDF file and my Excel file. And after that, we can click on select after we're done selecting the files we want to back up. And we have to wait until the backup process is complete. Okay, as you can see now, those files are being uploaded. And you can also use this Microsoft OneDrive to scan your document. You can tap on this camera button, then you can capture a document from this camera. Tap on this circle button to capture the document. Okay, and after that, you can adjust the position like this. Once you're done, you can click on confirm and click on done. Okay, then you can select the folder that you want to save your files to. For example, I'm going to save it to my backup document, and after that we can click on this checkmark button. Alright guys, and now this scanned document has been uploaded to my folder on my Microsoft OneDrive, and that's how basically we can use Microsoft OneDrive on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.